Hello everyone, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I wish you all a good day. Today, I will reveal top 20 topics that are must to know for clearing any Prometric exam. These are the most frequently repeated topics in exam. So let's have an eye on these topics. But before starting the topic, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon as this channel is all about international license exam material and guidance. Pediatric milestones or developmental milestones. Number 2, pediatric reflexes. Number 3, body plans. Number 4, dermatomes. Number 5, myotomes. Number 6, shoulder joint and knee joint diagnostic tests. Number 7, ACL, MCL, PCL injuries and their tests. Number 8, shoulder and hip muscles in detail. Number 9, PNF techniques. Number 10, gait in detail. Number 11, burn and rule of 9. Number 12, types of nerve injuries. Number 13, fractures of wrist, forearm and phalanges. Number 14, Parkinson's, Erb's palsy and Pott's disease. Number 15, ultrasound modality. Number 16, SA node and atrial fibrillation. Number 17, monophasic current. Number 18, lead pipe rigidity, cogwheel rigidity. Number 19, you should be able to recognize specific muscle or dermatome from picture. Number 20, nerve fiber. Number 21, spondylitis, spondylosis and spondylolisthesis. Number 22, coxa valga, coxa vera, tino verum, tino valgum and tino recurvatum. Number 23, scoliosis, angle, kyphosis and lordosis. Number 24, post-operative management. Number 25, aerobic, anaerobic, isometric, isotonic, isokinetic, eccentric and concentric exercises. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.